Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright people, pleasant morning. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this morning me out here, me I get some things together. I go link up my friend them. They don't know say all day curfew, all day lockdown and things. So I go link up my friend them. We have some fish. Me have me have one octopus and I think one conch. And them have some as well as some crayfish and some fish. So we just go cook a pot today. We are gonna just whole of vibes, alright? Yeah man, so guys, stay tuned. Whole heap of seafood I go cook today. On the all day curfew lockdown. Today I have a Good Friday. Yeah, Good Friday. So that one here I got epic. Can tell you so. Stay tuned guys. Road clean people. No vehicles on the road. Yes, so see it here. Super cook right here, so right now. Don't know a thing going on. So we are clean up the crayfish them and thing. Nice one here, so. That's how we clean them up. As we shown already in a previous video. So a big cooking a go on. And a baby cooking. A butter that in him then pay.
Yeah. Garlic butter.
Must come with the one butter. So
Oh, go on,
yeah,
oh,
see
go
it
on.
here. I go on now. Cut it back
Yeah, I did.
and take out it. Intestine, you know. Okay. I want to clean. I want to clean Barbie. Like this, you know. But no.
If it eerie like a pig back.
Yeah man, so see the peeps. Nice one, you know? Yeah. Barbie tell him and them what happen, no sir?
When? When? From this morning.
Carry man, let it go man. Full holy pressure. Too painful, full.
Fish clock, Barbie. And we usually fuck them there like auntie, you know. Auntie no teacher.
And granny. Yes, I clock.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, that soup you mad today, you know. That soup you open up your back, you know.
Thing we'll buy here, so buy it for.
Yes, see it there. Conch in a pot here, you know. My tripod, I ain't there. Oh, my work.
Tripod, I work.
Conch in a pot. Turks have cut up some fish over there, so let's see how we are. Time. Great mudfish, aka blackfish. Yeah. Yeah, cooking a go on, yeah.
Fish they must be AK, AK rockfish too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, AK.
AK.
Yeah, man, in a PUBG. Yes, you will clean the conch there. Look, you see one little sharp, you just cut it open. Yes,
You them boy them over there, sir.
intestine, so
Soup.
clean out that. So, them we make salt mackerel, you know. Yeah, man, me no shoot one mackerel and they have him pan fridge and take him out and make salt mackerel down there. Cook salt mackerel run down with it.
So you sound it.
They mix sugar, salt and black pepper.
I know salt, and sugar.
No man, I'm more salt, man. Salt more than sugar. Sugar just we melt with the salt to give it one different flavor. Yeah. So if you use 3 spoons of salt or 1 spoon of sugar.
One of them I want to like pumpkin this morning. What pumpkin juice,
Turks, I cut up some mudfish over there, so.
Yeah.
Don't know where go already. See more sugar she there. Yeah. Put them on fire. See cat in another one there go and scald down. That is soup. Vegetable style there. Them be there.
Yes.
General over there so Barbie. If knife can't cut it.
Soup beers. Small.
The uncle got here, you know. And breadfruit over there so like sun. Yeah. Alright, then I go in a soup pot here now. Go on over here. Full of color. Yes, man. Look what go on in there. No, you know. Big pot of soup.
Man. 5.
Yeah, them up again. This is what I go on. Go on, bite you. Yeah.
Yeah, really nice.
Brother. Yes, youth. Jesus, peace. Well ready.
MP, come with this sit them now.
Fish are come out of pot here now. Yeah. Don't know what Turks there again, you know, people. Real bad chef, you know. See there. With them here, do drink. Alright.
Drink, you know, we are ready.
Yeah. Alright, you know, peeps, so the pot here where me I scrape them vegetables here, you know. I feel the sea cat that are the coconut milk in the pot there, so yeah, man. You don't know, we have okra, pumpkin, Irish, carrot, and all of them something they are going at the pot there right now. The other pot over here so now, that we are using to make the gravy for the fish them. Alright? Yeah man.
Bro, you have too much tracer too.
Yeah man, so this are the gravy for the fish them. And then over here so now this are the sea cat that take time go down, you know. Yeah. See it here when it go down, you know, people. Done already for eat, you know. Well nice, you know, people. That's the octopus right there. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, see fry fish them, you know. I would put a few of them in our gravy. You don't know it go so. Yeah man, looking good so far, people. So we are gonna share out some food, you know. And them thing there. Alright, so see my bowl of soup here, you know, people. Yeah man, see me get one crayfish in a piece of corn and some other things in it, so you know it go. Yeah man, looking good, people. Nice crayfish soup. Alright, now see the rice here, you know, we're gonna eat with the fish and the sea cat. Yeah. Yeah man, and we have some breadfruit too. Yeah peeps, so see we have 2 lobster here, we just put them on the coal for go on. Take time and roast. Yeah man. Alright guys, so we managed to make it back home. It was a good day today. My camera died while I was there and I didn't brought my charger. So that's why the video cut right there. But thank you all for watching that. Remember to like, share and subscribe. But in the meantime, before you go, I got something to show you. Alright, so watch this.
And me I tell you now, you need to subscribe to Yard Style Fishing. And that's what thing there now, can I tell you? I call them my bag. And then me just get this from me now. Here, let me tell you something. It's something to talk about. Yeah.